In this video, I will show you how you can download Crossfire on your PC or laptop. So, if you're interested, keep on watching. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser and search for the official Smilegate website, since it is the developer of Crossfire. Once you're on the website, change the language to English. Then go to the Games section and select Crossfire. Next, click Go to Website, then select Play for Free. From there, click the Download button to download the game launcher. Once the download is finished, open the file to start the installation. Choose where you want to install the game, or simply use the default location and click Next. The installation will then begin, so just wait for it to finish. After the installation is complete, open the Crossfire folder and launch the game application. Follow the setup instructions, and once everything is finished, you can launch Crossfire and start playing. And that's how you can download Crossfire on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.